Facebook Live GT.
Tinayo but Wi-Fi.
I think.
Rumira, repose up.
Azokutanya phone this anti-social behavior.
Ndatanga kutora manje po watanga kutora izvo. Ndisikatori. Yes sir.
Yes. Ayo achozoona zvokuita. Urikuona akapana apa. Giant. Panonzi mamonya ipapo. Ndini monya yacho ini. Saka vanoda kuzvitekera ipapo apana. Pana anonzi Jani. Takamupisa pa internet, pa YouTube. Makido amusiya kampani watakamupisa. Jani.
Samakido otomboketa time ezera achiti Jani fungwa achiti Jani.
Jani for iwe. But anyways, iwewe takaverenga biography yako wakati ukatanga une 6 years old. Waite dancing what?
Right. Anomaza plus music and this. Entertainer. Unozoita nga Tony Matalan kuchizadza pa stadium andika. Then uvoita nge DJ Branso vanenge vachizadza kana mu papfungwa mimi andika. Then unozoita nge umwe DJ anenge achikudedzwa anenge angone disco pa deni. Anenge achikudedzwa muti mapati 21 kana 5 2 andika. Saka asiri DJ ndeupi
apa. But iwewe but apana mwana wese ane 6 years akanzitamba anotamba. Kwanzi dance you dance I did standard. But iwewe wakazvarwa 99 wokuti wakata uone ukuzviti une almost 3 decades in music. Ipapa ndo patisi kuwirirana. Ini ndakatanga kuridza 89. Anditika ina asada mbosvika 3 decades. Iwo uda kusvika ku 3 decades ndine 40 ndakusvika 48. Iwo une makore mangani.
Right. Industry inofamba zvakadai so.
Usati industry
elder. Imi ndakupa nguva ngataura andika elder. Andika. Ukaenda makore kana 50,000 uchirwa ma records. Andika. Akapenga ndiani? Akatanga nezuro akusadza stadium anaenda 50,000. Azvina basa zvizvi. But zviripo pana vanhu zvokudai so. Ini ndakazorwa 83. Andika. Ndakazorwa 83. Sound rangu ini ndakatanga 88 kana mamusikaziye. Andika. Shocking vibes. Yakatanga kutenga my records 88 and we've got proof. Yoti matanga my records akatanga kutenga 88. Even now you can bring Mira King.
Shocking vibes ngapana.
Ndiri kutaura. Ndavapa nguva kutaura. Right. Iyo kana uchinoita kunzi zvinhu zvakafamba sei. Irish and Chin. Andika unokwanisa ngomubata. Dub vendor unokwanisa ngoisira phone. Ichiriko they still exist. Vane ma receipts. Every company inokeepa my receipts kutenga my records. Kwa makatenga my records nezuru. Kwa makatenga my records 10 years ago they still have those receipts. Andika. Right. Come to the message of Danzi. Wakatanga kutamba one 6 years. Kuchikoro kwa anonzi ma variety shows. Andika. Munomaziya ma variety shows. Ma variety shows babeka. By choose woman anenge akapenga anenge achita chi yanenge achita Michael Jackson anzakuimba ane 5 years andi pama variety show babe taitoro isusu kunzi pana ndo achi vanotamba saka tista leader chi pama variety shows. So then when I turned 10 takatonditaka kuwa ma variety shows in my different schools akasangana neighboring girls ai kuna na Nyatsime and all taenda tino perform iko
kana chimbonyarara ipapo. Sound yenye Shocking Vibes yakatanga 1988 yakazorwa 1983 yakazoita sound yenye C.
Right. Sound system andika. Sound system ine owner. Andika
owner wacho.
Sound system ine owner. Owner Ragaras. Andika. Owner we sound system.
Ragaras wacho kuti atanga kuridza. Ndakuta kumtuna. Yo Ragaras unotanga kuridza ku jobs waiswa panyanga na bango. Saka ngavasanyebe kuda vachidaro. Bango akatotaka kutoridza funk. Aidza funk. Imchiriza na Bernard Kamoto Silverstone akatanga vanhu 2 na Bernard Kamoto bangu asati akuridza patakatanga isi 1992
right.
Saka na Ragaras wanga uri kupi
1992 Ragaras airidzira mapati aritoa ndosotori
party
airidza mapati German
mukaridza ngoma
timomireka
reggae music kai ngoma
timomireka German DJ tunoradza DJ anotora reggae music
ngoma
because in
industry you're a DJ
but I'm a selector but I'm not a dancehall DJ. I'm not a dancehall DJ. I'm a DJ. DJ.
Uri araenda rese.
Aiwa, DJ. Entertainer. So what you need to do is by industry I want to stick with the singa mari mu dance is our front line. Those you say do sakakura nazo susandika. Then we versatile. Imomo bango airiza dance.
Angaskariza.
Airiza dance. Bandangarizi. DJ.
Michael Jackson.
Yes. But I'm not a DJ. Naruziba is DJ. So any DJ. When I started playing, just using the wisdom club. Andika munoza ndiri
aiwa mamusikata kuti mabox na
munoza ndiri club 1997 Mtomba
right akazara 1983
1987
is 14 years unopinda 7 bawo madays yabawo rangasikapindika une 14 years kunyebere junior wasarwa mambama parumaza
airiza ngoma zipi
right chimira uzga andika wataura weka kuti bawa isapindwa kima 14 wasapinde bawa ntereka it was permanent club yainzi Agani Center. That was club and get strict andika right on a gogo session. Do you know I've been in the gogo session my life?
Gogo session edwa kumahure kusaidu kusatore zvinyepa mani bayanga singatirwe Agani Center direct satore basaidi yanga singatirwe mairo wangoma banga singatirwe mairo wangoma mairo wangoma mairo gogo mairo wakusaidi
mamune maglass mamune uchi
ukunzwa
utataura history
yakavurwa rumors ma steps amunokwira nawo haisiro first entrance mayakavhurwa nana George Makao entrance yawapinda nekumasii
gogo girls yeta right hand wopinda right hand ndomainetwa gogo andikwakaziva zvimaketeni ndomaitwa gogo girls
argument
aisikuda kupinda
right argument
ande what
club was no under 18 and strictly no under 18 but at the age of 14 tuna interview na makuno Komera chikate.
Aiwa kusaka cha indefana unobhiara yangu because inini I support local dance ngani umwani ngani unozori kunwa engwa
inakwira nende
iwewe inini bandisi kuwirirana napa apa pa entertainment ka ndangufanana na takatora kana kuti totora Killer T na Soldier Love na Kina na Sekalas tovaisa nozati havana mbotanga less than 2010 less than 2010 ndikukutaurira havana mbotanga less than 2010 vese vari 3 kuimba but reggae music vanenge vachiifarira waiziya but kuimba Kina takatanga murekodi achitidza kumagaba kwashambari asi 2011 ana Sekalas isikatombwaziva kuti varipo patakazoita pasapasa yaFantan ndopatakazoziva Kina Soldier Love na Killer T na T Makwikwi na Dadza D vese uyu Makido ndaitoda do pakaita kuti Zim Danso inzi Zim Danso before that yanga isikambonzi Zim Danso saka Zim Danso kana chiti Zim Danso we talking about chill sport vamwe vese vaingorekoda but yaingonzi Danso vaingorekoda ukunzwa ana Sunshine vese pavakatanga Sunshine yakatanga before chill sport ana Aiton vese vakatanga before chill sport isati yakunzi Zim Danso vanhu vakaisa midzi dzekunzi yakunzi Zim Danso chill sport that's why chinzi kumangoma te but iwewe problem yangu newewe mbana iwewe unonyepa stereki tanyazopedzerana newe because ifefeka hatisikutovana tamotukana paintaneti but unongoziva tinoregerana nekufamba kwenguva nditoregerana nekufamba kwenguva because tikuchakagaura uchakagaura une noise kana uchiimba music noise inobva kupi right why uchingoti rekodi yakarira 1 minute
right miramunzwe manje dance as a DJ as a selector unosiyana mapattern andika manje inini style yangu apana mwana wasikanomboyi love is wami chose kana ka1 atombono kuti kwajani if ndiende kwekuya but mira ndikuti
ukulesta
anomuziya though the first people are about 10 pounds when I'm dancing, and he reads the dance in less than 100. My promotion, and I'm not just a DJ, no promoter dance. But never a journey for artists. Though the first people, because in no trauma video, my dance, no trauma pictures, they're the very same people that pay 10 pounds when I'm dancing. I just want to a journey. Do you know what I saw? A DJ, I don't want to worry music, Pasina MC, Pasina Chichiga. Anyone can do that, even my 10-year-old son. I know the option some controller. But unique style in DJing. Nobody was to buy a microphone. Any people know me as an MC. I think so. DJ as I do. Mira. Antimbe.
album. Una album.
But
we are album. Ada unye about.
Baskira wimba.
Ada unye album.
It's Momira. Dine four mabam. But was a ski ripon the Undeso. In India, I'm going to get on Goma. Semana about Nagano, Dino Tamba Mangoma, Dino Rita Mangoma, Dino Yimba Mangoma, Andiga, Dino Ita Ese Yamangoma, because then love Yunagiro and Mangoma. In and force him that download Mira and force him that download the album last in 6,000 downloads up to date. 6,000. I'm put that in. You remember Maradoda? Mira 6,000 downloads. But now tell album rangu maka download aka 6,000 as no pay rap up. Dakesa ma singles andika ma singles is up and less than 2,000 downloads. Andika asima zimba chira zonizo. Chero shibowa say singana kids say Mirai they've got it. Andika isu social number internet 24/7. That's where I work. I must do craft. Andika 24/7. Certain control achi yesterday ngestambika. Mangoma ndakesa dance and shiva. Ndikarisa pa iTunes. That was my only tune pa iTunes. Andika tune rakatengesa. Munzo vasikana vachina katobhadhara mari. Machuna uta mahara. Right uta mahara futhi because ndakasa link SoundCloud. But vakatenga pachi pa iTunes. You know why? Because I support. Look at Mataran. Tony Mataran is the baddest selector ever. Wait, for example, in the most of what time Mataran is the baddest selector ever. Mataran was at the stadium. Why? Simply because Anoriza is unique. But Mataran akaenda kanoimba Dirty Wine. Dirty Wine ikaendeka. Mama records aka anakana basa. Ndozo nakuzai. Munza anana basa records aka.
But I disagree with you when you say Mataran is the baddest selector.
No.
I'll tell you it's Charlie Black. Charlie Black is the baddest selector. Akaimba.
Yeah, Charlie Black
Mataran nakaba King Artist aka.
But Charlie Black
is Mataran nakaba King Artist aba New York azoro Jamaica disika. Uyu Charlie Black aita best of this. But if you check even kana ma hits kana kuno yimbo na Charlie Black is way ahead.
He's an artist, guy.
No, he's a selector.
No, Charlie Black
is a selector of best of this.
He doesn't touch records.
No. He's still a selector of best of this.
When? Tell about
so you don't know.
Let's see the latest.
No. You don't know because the mimika UK. Those people, their market is in America. Market, dance. Jamaica. It's mostly in America.
Yeah, but Charlie Black is an artist.
No, he's a selector.
No, he's an artist. Yeah, but he's an artist. He's an artist.
Saka in the blast, how can they believe it?
I MC. Right. So listen.
Mark is a selector. Charlie Black is a selector. Akusina shokunzi MC Gigi. MC anotota selector. Kuti read song.
But one thing that you need to realize is but listen, but one thing you need to realize, got away, and out of 100, who does singing more? Mataran or Charlie Black? Out of 100,
Charlie Black.
Yeah, because he's an artist. Mataran is an artist. Mataran is a selector. Charlie Black is not an artist, right? Not in people's eyes.
Charlie Black is a selector.
Yeah, but ukatora munhu asikaziye ukamisa apa anokudza.
You want to find Mataran?
No, I love Mataran. Is my mentor. Mataran is my mentor. Any other DJ, any other selector, I don't know.
It's just like saying Stone Love. You know, you want David Radical. Ashifa zvakaitika
Stone Love bad.
Ashifa zvakaitika.
Stone Love is the number one song in the world.
Washona. But
no argument.
You can Kilimanjaro. You know, you want David Radical. David Radical is a person. Kilimanjaro is a sound. Vanhu vakainvest in sound. You want to speak it.
The sound system.
Where you coping?
Toya na bana be.
Ayo, ngayibonile. Ngayibonile. Kuinvesta.
Mad Unit, that's Mad Unit family. I don't know
Hayi, mfana Sadiku uyu.
Mad Unit.
Anondisira ugarage uko.
Bompisa futhi.
Anotsha, anondisira ugarage uko.
But no dance rasho. I no dance.
Isusu, what we trying to say in this industry atili inini vanhu vazhinji vakati ejabi yafa mati minox ndima elder itaizve sound. Do you know that right now I will tell you, if Jabi was alive there won't be not even one Zim dancehall artist. No sir, if I need but I agree with you. Mike aipisa kubatenga ukasikapiwe dadi distress akaskape munhu Mike smile akaskape munhu Mike wapana vesa. We should thank the Jabi yakafa hapa now. Messi. Oh, when you smile your silver story. Not get
Ariko spell.
Mina ndikutaurira. Microphone yaipisa yakasikapatwa nemuntu. Ngoibutirwa chete. Yeva yadzima. Ndiani akabata microphone iyi. Kubata mnyero. So inini ndaka-retire. Do you know that I'm retired?
No, you
from dancehall. Inini ndangopusha chi Mazim dancehall artists.
No, but you
was havana platform
no,
yake.
man, you're doing a great.
You know what I mean?
No, man.
Right. While I'm pushing those Zim dancehall artists, there's people who are coming in. I'm the first person to do a PTK with copyright your music. But when I get copyright music, they are now at my imagine. Song ya Killer Tita Gango Darangani 850,000 views. But it was copyrighted by somebody, Django South Ventures. Who is Django South Ventures? If Killer T comes and copyright the song, I will leave it there. When you copyright your song, I'm taking it down on my thing. I'm copyright the music as individuals. If Sekalas feels like copywriting, like just like what Stana does, just like what Trevor Dongo does, just like what Winky D, they should go proper protocols. Most people are copywriting music, you see there. It's time for spam and Facebook
Promotion and stuff.
Most of them are not registered as artists. Those are muchona even close. Most of them are professional.
And SQL.
They were professionals, they were registered as artists. As names, I don't go in there, no imba. But music, I sponsor one of my royalties. No radio station is paying any Zim dancehall artist royalties, of which 90% of things that are playing on radio right now is Zim dancehall. It's free. So, when we blame our managers, let us not blame the artists. Managers and promoters are also to blame.
Yeah, all right. Managers, promoters not to blame.
Yeah.
Because promoter if you are a manager, like yourself, and you talk to your artists, and you go through iTunes and or whatever, Spotify, whatever, and you put your music there yourself. And it's not that's how you know you are now benefiting.
We support the artists.
But it's also magic. Like there are people, my hustlers are pinned. That's all one Zim dancehall appear. Zim dancehall I paid as long as we are alive. As long as Fantan is alive, I paid. As long as you are alive, God Ribagasa. It will never die. As long as you are alive, Giant, I paid. As long as King Alfred are alive, Queen Grand, I paid.
But
that's another
argument that this other interview. Who is going to help Zim dancehall? Is to not try we push and the artists and everything and to build them bridges and stuff. But imagine it's not strong because more of my artists needs to be recognized. They need to be paid. The radio station need to pay artists my royalties. And who do we blame, Papa?
We blame the artist and the manager.
Artists
are never stage.
Because it takes $50 for you to be registered.
$50 to register with National Art Council. You register, you pay your $50 every month, and your music is registered nicely. artist ari kupiwa mari unotenga ngoma unotenga mbanje ukufamba nevanhu 16
artist andi iwo manesa manager unofanira ngo une saying kuna artist kuti artist iwo takuna
vamwe vacho havadi kutombonzwa izvozvo izwa zvinokuitika vanhu havana maprofessional managers. Look at Winky D for example. Winky D, you don't see him akagara neni panapa. Winky D is disciplined. Kana kunzi kune ningi press conference, he will answer the questions. You know what I mean? Not kuti, alright. For example, what I just said a while ago, zvakaitika last week ku UK. Killer T akaenda pa press conference anjika. But somebody was answering the questions for him. You know what I mean? That's very wrong. And you know that he probably doesn't have a good command of English. Why are you asking the questions in English? You're Zimbabwe. To promote Zimbabwe. We're not promoting England. You know what I mean? We're promoting Zimbabwe. You mean when I go England, you mean when I go England. Can I take a press conference? This is going to put them out this day. I don't give money shona. Mupunze ene shona. Anokwanisa kupindura. Ayo ndikutira wane ku England monyarara wewe. Ndikutira wane ku England. Imimi wane ku England vakuda ma press conference ka. Makada kubvunza kana achimba nechirungu mubvunze nechirungu. Kana achimba neshona mubvunze nechona. Mozo translator mega. Atili zvokuzotaura kuti mada kuseka artist because atadza kupindura mubvunzo. Artist idezvo. Kana muchida kuwana good command of English, ask Mad Minox Tiripo, ask Giant if can you change a campana? Can you go down? How are you doing? It's a campana. Can you go down and British Campana? Muruzwa. It's the turn and shown. It's to promote Zimbabwe, not England. Kana maartist achienda kamirira Zimbabwe ndikunyebere
vanofana kutsvaga kana vachiona kuti zviri kunetsa kana kwakauya international reporter or journalist they must look for a translator.
Paka kuna Chris Goldfinger. They said pambana Chris Goldfinger. But who is Chris Goldfinger in Zimbabwe? We don't care about him here in Zimbabwe. When he comes here we pay him. We pay him. There's some Jamaican artists when they come to Zimbabwe they're asking an arm and a leg 55,000. When any other artist is offered $50, Sniper was offered $50. When Jackie was offered $50,000, it's not acceptable. I'm telling you that Two Kings, that's not acceptable. We don't allow this in this industry. It's either you don't put our artists. That's the same. Winky D when Winky D na Japanese away. Those
industry when you undermine my artists, then Mahura artists, Mahura industry. So I'm going to poor sound quality per sound per event. You never look at 10,000. Then Mahura artists because Zunzarimba sound system. It's not even your fault.
Just yesterday,
it's the promoters. But that's the other thing when I was saying we banged my promoters and industry. Industry because they're being greedy. At the end of the day, without cash 50,000, where's the sound system F500?
Let me tell you something. 99% of the people who are promoting this music, they don't know nothing about music or production. They know nothing. Those are music hustlers. Chippers don't know nothing about reggae music. Those Sungura. Alec Macheso, Pambane Bora na Chippers.
But it's because so poor management.
Let me tell you something. Why you should go na Wimba? Because you made it in life. You went to England. You have everything you want. Man, I know Yimba. Uneducated people supposed to sing.
Reality.
One was not married, one was stupid. You are one as a own order. We're going to go to England. Unaimbeji uchize auchazia namo. But I don't buy on a namo. When I was a second Zanamo. When I bindura. Just like Fana and the bloat. And take up a Buru and Zanamo. Baba Ningisekura, I don't know. Basarapera. You know what I mean? Selling Kianga Jubi. Wow, now I'm not selling Kilo. What do but he made it with one song. Same thing, yes. Hard work and perseverance. But music is not for educated people. If you are educated, be a lawyer, be a manager, be something else. You want to know any music, you promoter, manage the artist.
The way I do my music, when I want better music, it's just so fun. And
you have fun.
At the end of the day, you get 1 or 2 more songs that little airplay and people appreciate. It's not like you're gonna appreciate everything that I do. And but you get to go into the catalog. But 1 or 2 most of people might not relate because Samuto and so so sometimes I don't really touch my punchlines in but I promote Zim Danso. And I love Zim Danso, and I love what's happening in my country. And this kutiza, we've got my selectors, mad. Upon white is an anaerotic and the mighty crown Musimba Bane, but I'm to tell that my Zim Danso chi. Why? Simply because Baruch promoter is still promoting the dance music in Jamaica. But in but my artists not all I actually put money, even if I fail to fill up or whatever. But then they love you. My artists are here. My events. By radio station, no, it's about radio station. I play Zim Danso. Do not push Zim Danso. But then I do when they tell that I'm and once I so. Because of Bawanema Jama, like everybody knows, in Indo is the after of Majama. Because of Bawanema Jama, and don't know it's 1, 2, 3. My songs are not she's all good. Shaka Simba, you know, that's when we make the links. Go back to the dream team. Gaibata Nana voicemail, Nana Sasko, Vaitem Matitra Maritim. So you can have a Truchi, Linky, or that is or something. But
do remember those Jamaicans don't really care about us.
They don't care. That's a good picture. That's a good picture.
All they care about is the greenbacks.
The money.
I tell most
people
top plates.
Straight.
My top plates, they wouldn't know about 500 for one song. But I've never played it.
Mad.
I've never played it. No one knows it.
Mad.
You understand?
Mad.
You only want to when they can to quit my programs in life. This is life. Music is life. Without music, we won't survive. Most of us are surviving through music. But it's born in us, just like a farmer. Mana no kuda jenda kumunda. But Mwana to my friends who I don't want to kira tea, I'm going to sell in Kira. I don't quit as it's born in, they're going to be born in it. And it's was and put out there. Kanoji doesn't shower, right? History are going to correct a China, but because do you remember why exaggerate? It's just not to analyze but
history, only you can write your own history.
But no, wait. You cannot write. You cannot rewrite history.
I know there's no jobs in it.
You cannot rewrite history.
Jobs.
You cannot rewrite history.
Jobs. You cannot rewrite jobs. I know these are jobs.
Really?
I know these are jobs.
Not in my presence.
I know these are jobs.
Not in my presence.
I know these are jobs.
I also understand that.
Not in your presence. Not in your presence.
Not in my presence.
But you were there. You used to come. Listen, you used to come. I don't see Mad Minox Ponyo of Apostle. Mad Minox is here. And do you know that in the Mad House in Delta Force we used to be guest DJs.
And the Mad House, I think it's on my records. I'm gonna bang him matters.
But you know we used to. But it happened. It's a bit of my records. It's a bit of my records.
One by one in how ya kunoko ndavana kuto haya sound yake akuridza paCalton akazomborwa achibhakira na tiri mubvunze amborwa achibhakira na tiri andisa paposa mubvunze nyaya iyo
Calton.
Saka ndikukutaura chokwadi munya is not a selector aziziya akabva kumusha iyi akabulani is not a sound Mune is an artist as a sculpture artist zverege zvekubatira pamusoro zvekuti waingoendo kuningi kwazvinorira kuningi it doesn't know music man taure zvinhu zvakadare ni
Saka okay.
Ndauda
kuinterview inini. So who do you rate okay pama selected sound system amakatanga nawo kuti vanhu vazive kuti ama sound system because vamwe sound culture ka vanotoita ikunzwo yanyorwa pasi chero kanyorwa kuti ari sound akazotanga 70 60 ka but vanhu vasingazive but they learn from you so they will understand you more. So ndihati ma sound system amotaura just give us 5 at least ekuzimbabwe kuno vakatanga like when you started ma foundation atokwanisa kurespect isusu
regardless of anything. Africa A1 was the first sound. Nana Power Chitemere. Jabi was never around. Akatozouya. Kuzinzo. Mundu akatouya achigara muna third musoro. Ndogara muna second half. Kuzinzo. Yes, he was not part of it. He was just a visitor in this country. We didn't know him. But through Chigai, unokoziya Chigai chaakazongoita. Iye naFarai amene vakabva vazongofomawo sound yawo level vibes. Wakuridzira kuzimuwo apazotsara sound yanhingi yaJerry Mveti. Akakwatisa Jerry Mveti akatsara zvimanhingi zvimatubhu zvaivhurwa so zvimaspika akaita zvekutsara Mveti kunzwa. Isaenda chinosapota. But inini inspiration yangu haina kubva kuna Jabi yakabva kuna Farai. What's Farai agara muna 50.
Okay.
Ndaiti uyu plus akaenda kuEngland akapinda kuEngland. Ba koma wakaenda pa profile yangu. Munhu ari pa profile yangu koma waFarai. Anonzi John Shambani. Right now as we speak. Ingakutaura munhu ndakuzomboenda kuEngland zvinongoitawo munhu. Unozezvongochiva zvaizvia. Tichingochiva tichingomuona because agara achimboenda achidzoka achitenga marekodzi achimboenda achidzoka waisiya. Inspiration yangu haina kubva kuna Jabi. Ndozvavasikazivi. Jabi never uplifted not even one person in Zimbabwe. Aitotsikirira mayouths. Wangoridza rekodhi inonakidza aitenga kana kuti aikutorera. Munzwa. Ina Bernard, munza kana Bernard Kamoto. Mubvunze kuUK ko. Aikutorera rekodhi iyo. Ana Bamba Mtiti akatanga kuziridza na Medha Shiroti, ana Buju Banton. Vese ananhingi inonzi Buju Banton inonzi
Bumbambai.
Not Bumbamba.
Party rider.
Marekodzi angu kaya. Asi marekodzi ake ndinakawa nawo ini. Ari fresh. General Levy yairizwa na Bernard. Yanga iri marekodzi ya Bernard. Nekuti the short man. Yanga iri rekodzi ya Bernard. Hard to hit. We are moving target. Yanga iri rekodzi ya Bernard. Aida kutsara marekodzi mamwe akatotsara vanawo vanazhinji vane marekodzi angu. Ndakada kutaura nyama vanhu vane marekodzi angu akawanda. Vanhu vakanzi ngatiridze mavhaina wamanje ka dhanziro haripere dhanziro ndichitora marekodzi angu haripere kutaura haripere ndokutaura kuti rekodhi ndini ndega nandinayo. Alright, Africa A1. What is one sound?
One sound, Africa A1.
Africa A1 ndio original. After that kwa voya level vibes.
Ndio Shambari na
Farai, Jabi, Culture T, Alan Ranks, Paridzai, Junior Taka. Apa ne vanhu about 7 anga acho ndavakanganwa zvangu. Ma MCs ndo anga akawanda. Kobva kwa ma Gateman mostly anga ri vanhu kuna Sanyango. Vai manager Dochi. Part of the sound. Waisiya. Payakaparara Farai yakafoma sound yakainzi Top Notch. Before Smolex, he formed a sound called Top Notch. Kana achiri kuzviremember. Taivabharura mabhurugu apa paWaidaba naFarai tichivamamisa Farai uya mubvunze. Taivamamisa paFarai akazonotora ana Musafari nevanhu vemafuratu. Takaita hondo nana Gostal apa paWaidaba. Mubvunze. Taivabharura namabhachi apa paWaidaba.